Bathroom renovation in Pleasanton, construction remodeling in Bay Area. Bay Area construction company specializing in bathroom renovations. Transform your bathroom into a dreamy oasis today. Pleasanton, California is a great place to call home. The city is filled with lots of things to do, great restaurants, and excellent schools. And, when you're ready to relax at the end of the day, there's nothing better than soaking in a hot shower in your stylish and modern bathroom. Of course, if your Pleasanton bathroom isn't everything you want it to be, that's where we come in. We're a home remodeling construction company and that specialize in bathroom renovations, and we're here to help you create the perfect space for starting and ending your day. Bathroom renovations have never been difficult for us because we are a team of professionals, so whether you're starting from scratch or just needing a few updates, we can help. We'll work with you to find the perfect design for your space and budget, and we'll make sure the finished product is just what you've been dreaming of. If you want to remodel or renovate your home, I urge you to begin with bathroom renovations before moving on to kitchen renovations. There are a number of reasons why bathroom renovations should take priority over kitchen renovations. First, bathroom renovations are typically less expensive than kitchen renovations. Second, Pleasanton has a wide variety of bathroom contractors to choose from, so you're sure to find one that meets your needs and budget. Third, Pleasanton's climate is ideal for bathroom remodeling. The mild winters mean that work can be done year-round without having to worry about weather damage. Finally, Pleasanton has a number of great resources for bathroom renovation, including Home Depot and Lowe's. So if you're thinking about renovating your home, start with the bathroom, you won't regret it. Bathroom renovation can be stressful and lots of work. Additionally, if you are unfamiliar with construction and don't know the precise materials to use, it will be stressful for you and you might end up with an unplanned bathroom. Additionally, repairing the mistakes that you made could cost more money. We're knocking on your door and extending an offer to help with the task in which we are particularly skilled. We'll take care of everything, and we'll build your bathroom on a budget. Construction remodeling in the Bay Area is located in Hayward, but Pleasanton is where we have a large number of happy clients. We'll go all the way to your house if you're from Pleasanton. Quotes shouldn't be feared because we are trustworthy and genuinely care about our customers. We'll do the bathroom renovation you've always wanted. You are welcome to read our Google reviews to get an idea of how extremely happy our customers are with the high quality of our service. Bathroom renovations are the most common request from our clients, so what are you waiting for? Fill out the form and request a free quote right away. There are no hidden fees because it is free, so stop worrying about them. We wanted to be there for you and have your back.